In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a gradient background just like this here in Canva. Now, this is extremely easy to do. First off, we need a blank page. Then, when you want to change the color of your background to a gradient, we simply come up to here to the background color. Now, if we click on here and scroll down, we can see that we have all of these different types of gradients just here. Now, if we click on any one of these, we can change the colors and we can change the type of the gradient. Now, to change the colors, you want to come up to here to where we have this little plus icon. If we click on here, we can change the gradients by clicking on one of the square colors. For this example, we've got it on purple. We're going to make this a darker purple. Then we're going to do the same for the orange. We can click onto the orange and we have this color palette where we can change the color. You can also put in the hex code of a color just here. Now, once you've chose the colors that you want in your gradient, we have a few different styles to choose from, as we can see just here. We have a linear gradient, another linear gradient where it changes the gradient from side to side, from top to bottom. Then we have another one just here, along with circular gradients as well, as we can see. So all you have to choose is the gradient style that you like, and then you have your gradient background here in Canva. So that's how to make a gradient background here in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.